Have you seen those insanely satisfying rust cleaning ASMR videos taking over YouTube and blowing up on Instagram right now? Why are these simple clips getting millions and millions of views? And what if I told you that you could create the exact same viral content using completely free AI tools? No expensive equipment, no crazy editing skills, no secret studio setup. Sounds hard to believe, right? But the truth is, small creators are quietly pulling in massive views with these satisfying rust cleaning videos, and most people have absolutely no idea how simple the process really is. So the real question is, are you going to scroll past this opportunity, or are you going to learn how to do it yourself? I've analyzed these viral videos, broken down exactly what makes them addictive to watch, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create your own from scratch, how to generate the visuals, produce that ultra-satisfying sound, edit it perfectly, and upload it in a way that maximizes views. Make sure you stay until the end, because if you miss even one step, you could be leaving thousands or even millions of views on the table. To make this kind of viral rust-cleaning ASMR video, the first thing you need is the prompt template, and I'll leave that in the description below. It's a single master prompt, so copy it exactly as it is. Once you've copied it, go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt into the chat box. Then hit Generate. ChatGPT will instantly give you multiple ideas for different types of rusty cleaning videos you can create. From those suggestions, pick any topic you like, whether it's a rusty knife, an old tool, a chain, or anything visually satisfying. Then copy that specific idea and paste it back into ChatGPT. Click Generate again, and this time it will create a detailed image prompt and a video prompt tailored to that concept. Using those prompts, you'll be able to generate high-quality visuals and structure the entire video step by step until you have a complete ASMR-style clip ready to upload. Now the first step is creating the image. To do that, go to the website linked in the description below and open Pipit.ai. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on the image generation option. You'll see a prompt box where you need to paste the image prompt that ChatGPT generated for you. After pasting it, go to the model section and select your preferred model for realistic output. Then move to the ratio settings and choose the 9:16 aspect ratio since we're creating vertical content for Shorts, Reels, or TikTok. Once everything is set, click on the Generate button and wait a few seconds while your image renders. When it's ready, preview it to make sure it looks clean and detailed. Then download the file in PNG format and make sure you select the option without watermark so your final video looks professional. Now that your image is ready, the next step is turning it into a video. For this, go to Pipit.ai and click on New Project. Once the project opens, you'll see a prompt box with a plus icon. Click on that. At the top, you'll find the Upload option. Upload the image you downloaded earlier. After the image is uploaded, click on the Settings button and choose the video option. Then make sure you select the correct ratio, preferably 9:16 for vertical platforms like YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. Once that's set, go back to ChatGPT and scroll to the video prompt that was generated along with your image prompt. Copy the video prompt, return to Pipit.ai, paste it into the prompt section, and then click Generate. Within a few seconds, your image will be transformed into a satisfying rust cleaning style video. Download the final video, review it once to ensure everything looks smooth, and then upload it directly to your social media platforms. See you in the next video.